Hey, November 1st, made it through October. Still a handful of beers left. It's going to be tough to make it through the end of the year, but I think I can do this. And I started last month off with the Sly Fox Oktoberfest, and I'm starting this month off with a Sly Fox IPA. So it just so happened that that's what I decided I wanted to do today. Alright, 2 months to go. Here's to making this thing happen. Send me beer. Awesome. Sly Fox has yet to let me down with their delectable brews. But I think I may have done all of them by now. If anyone that works for Sly Fox sees this, and you notice any beers that I haven't done, or you've got anything stashed away, or something that's coming out soon in a can, get it to me, please. Thank you. Bye.